How to turn on ads campaigns notification on X Twitter app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and for today's topic I'll be talking about how can you turn on ads campaign notification on Twitter X or X Twitter application. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure that the application is up to date or to the latest version. If not, you could go ahead and check in the Play Store. So go to the Play Store, and then on the search box you want to type in Twitter and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, click the open button and then log into your Twitter account. Once you're logged into your Twitter account, the interface will look something like this. Now then, what you need to do is click the profile from the top right hand side corner, and then you want to go to settings and privacy from the bottom of the screen and click on settings and privacy one more time. Once you go to this section or the settings page, you want to scroll down a bit and go to the notification section, and then you want to go ahead and click on filters here. So while you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click on preferences, after which you want to go to push notification. Once you're on this section, you want to scroll down a bit and you could find while you're on this section, scroll down right to the bottom and you could find this ad campaigns. You go ahead and press that, and once you do it, so toggle the button so that you've turned on or enabled it. This is the way you could turn on ad campaign notification on your Twitter X. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.